We were late to class today.
We both overslept each other's alarms.
I woke up to her alarms.
I woke up to your alarm.
Bad.
It's more like I'm so used to turning off your alarm.
I'm so used to
Instead
turning
of
off
waking
her
up.
alarm.
Yeah, I don't normally wake up to them.
Yikes.
This is a normal ass street.
This looks really cool. Leave me alone. I like doing transition videos.
You got the audio with that?
No,
Jake,
I'm
please
gonna
audio.
mute it. It's the girls' table.
Hi.
It's the boys' table. Black sesame jam. I don't. Catherine's got it.
Wait, is this like a difficult thing to do with learning?
Yeah, what the heck?
So fast. Wait, what?
Cathy does it like really good. Oh my god, I can do it now.
She's learning it.
Is that IKEA? I am disappointed. I love IKEA. That's his hand. Brian is the chosen one. Hey, are you guys having tea? Hi.
Hi.
You owe me $3,000.
Oh, I'm out. Bye-bye.
So these are the names of the people. There's two doors, double security. And there was a guard, a gatekeeper. This is where the people left here back in the day called Magaya. Fertilizers and all. Oh, the roof is tiles. And they have wooden roofs here.
今は落ちないよ。落ちないけど、普段だと
Yeah.
So they can turn it on. Security system. Like if you tried to grab onto that and climb over it, it'll keep turning.
So they use the fertilizer for cotton. And so the cotton was used for the floors.
でこれ切れ端を打てたのだから高いからでこうやって担いでさこれに触れるとすぐおな障害になって厳しいんですよ
So these are kind of notice boards by the children. So the people use these boats to go to the entertainment district at Yoshihara. So this is kind of like they would wait here, and this is like a limousine, kind of a limousine
Station right here.
これは和紙ね和紙に油を塗ってこれになる
Yeah, so Japanese paper is pretty durable. So you can use it for a lot of stuff.
これさ
For
これ熱
boiling
い
rice.
Wanna buy some rice, girl?
Let me see.
It's kind of scary.
This is for grown people. This is just, and they work on the boats and so on, but they don't slip. Yeah, it's just under your toes. Yeah, just for the grown
歴
people.
史ある
Oh, there's a dog.
これ奥さんと旦那と2人で暮らしております
So this husband and wife.
これが換気扇だけど
Mirror and cosmetics. It's probably for the smokers. Well, it's kind of land use when you have to go to the bathroom. This is a guy who came just from the countryside and he doesn't have money yet. He takes shells of the plants and sells plants. So this is a widow here. Her husband has passed away, so she has a large altar. Buddhist altar.
キャットハウスね。
There's a cat in here.
こっちは大吉さんっていうね、混浴っていうの
Originally it was mixed bathing.
ね。別です。最初の頃だけですよ。お風呂。今でも
No, you gotta move your foot. You can't. You can't do all the way.
Can't do the squat.
It's okay. This one's kind of. You just kind of take it.
lower.
He's listening.
Hi, Amanda. What are you doing in there?
Are you filming?
Yes, indeed. I'll take a picture. Amanda's sitting in this like palanquin that like people get carried in because she's an important Tokugawa daimyo. Oh dang! Oh dang!
Wow, Jag. So this is where all the testosterone is collected. Literally, sausage party.
So this means pass, no pass, right? This
That means pass.
Yes.
Is it even heavy?
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Jag.
I wish you could move with it. I want to try to like walk with it.
I want to try this shit, but I'm scared.
Go, man. Oh, you have to like squat and then. No, like not like that. That is not a.
Apoorva.
It's not a stable squat. Like squat like this, yeah. Yeah, squat and then have it behind you. You have to have it behind you first, though. My God. Yeah, and now carry it up.
That scared the crap out of me. I totally thought this was a real person.
My boy. Did she just give birth or something? No, I said. She's resting because she lost it.
There is a baby in there though.
Yeah, there's a baby. There's 3 babies in there, actually. Yeah, 3 babies.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, she's hiding in the third
Oh.
one in her bed right now.
Oh, it is. The customs of childbirth. It actually like smells like tea in here. Brian, I definitely don't think that's how you use it. Yeah, there you go. Wow, what is this? This is beautiful.
pretend like you know what it is.
Whoa, that's so cool. That just gave me chills. ¿Qué este? This is like a huge building. Or like model. Is this a restaurant? I'm confused. It's like a huge building that just goes all the way down here. Oh shoot, you can go inside? What?
こちら壁抜けでございます。向かい裏の回転台にお岩さんが捕まり、壁の中へ消えていく様子がご覧いただけます。
What you doing?
Moshi moshi. Oh shit.
This is how tall the sumo wrestlers are. There's a freaking festival in Kamata. Yeah, me either. What the hell?
揚げたてのポテトいかがですか？唐揚げの揚げたてですよ。山盛りで出してますよ。いかがですか？
I like how there's just a table in the middle and people are just sitting. These are the candies, right, that they make? Those are the ones they make by hand.
We're gonna embarrass ourselves.
Thank you for coming to another great night. Good to see some of the new.
Yeah, pleasure.
So, I think you guys still have 2 more weeks. Yeah. Okay, so let's enjoy. And what to say?
205.